Hey guys, it's Larry, and we're doing another plan with me. This is number 3 of my 3-part series on Halloween free printable planner stickers. So this will be the last one. If you haven't checked out the other 2, I'll put a link up in the corner for you to check those out. But this is number 3. These are the planner stickers that I have chosen. These are absolutely adorable. These are made by Minted Strawberry for DIY Candy. I'll have a link for these below where you can download them. And look at, they're so cute. So if you want to see how this turns out and plan along with me, download these files, grab your drink, get your planner, let's play some music, and let's have some fun. Okay guys, so again, as mentioned, these are the planner stickers that I have downloaded. I put them through my Cricut, and these are the actual stickers that I have made. I've got 3 little sheets here that I plan to use. So many super cute options. I don't know what I'm going to do or how it's going to come out. I did find these washi tapes that match exactly. So good chance we'll try and incorporate that, but we'll see what happens. So let's turn on the music. I hope you've downloaded your stickers, and let's start to play. Okay guys, so this is it. What do you think? My actual Halloween week spread, version 3 version 3 of 3, yes. I think it turned out really cool. What do you think of the washi tape? Kind of fun, huh? So I hope you planned along with me. I hope you liked this video. Give it a little like. Leave some comments for me. Let me know what you think. Like, what was your favorite of the 3 different versions of Halloween layouts that I did? And leave questions or recommendations or tips. If you think that I do something kind of strange or whatever, tell me what's a better way to do it. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have downloaded all the printables. I will see you in another video soon. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will talk to you in the next video. And remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys. Happy Halloween.